As we are done with the QR code generator for Vcard, now we have to create a QR code for that app link, enter that message. So change it to app and pass here a link, pass that link, paste it, click on generate. We got an error because we haven't refreshed that page. Refresh it, paste it here again, click on generate, and it will generate the QR code of that link we have provided as an link. Now next we have to create the QR code of that message. Now let's duplicate that and change it to message. First we will have that phone and pass here that phone and pass here that input phone field ID, and for message we have to set it to message. Let's set that phone, and this should be phone plus line break character. And also for message we have to write the message, and to message we will have a message value. Let's also change this to input value. We will pass id to that function, and which will return the user input value of that field.